Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a back to school DIY challenge with Heidi Sonboul. If you don't know who Heidi Sonboul is, please click on the link in my description box. She makes beautiful DIYs from Dollar Tree items. I'm going to show you how to make a very inexpensive, adorable fall back to school vase for your favorite teacher. This vase will only cost you about $5 or $6 to make. You need a jar that you would normally throw out, some pencils from the Dollar Tree, some pretty fall foliage from the Dollar Tree, your hot glue gun, some ribbon, and that's all you need for this project. First thing we're going to do, we're going to simply just glue the pencils to our jar. And I like having the erasers to the top of the jar. I found it to be the easiest way to do this, to actually let the jar sit flat on your tabletop as you glue it, so that you don't have any of the pencils coming down a little further than the others, and then your jar will be wobbly and it will not sit straight on your table. So I would just glue them. I would put the jar standing up straight and attach it to the hot glue. This way the jar is even on the bottom. I just love the way this is coming out. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Gina Louise. I do a lot of thrift flips, furniture makeovers. I'm doing miniatures for your tiered trays and your dollhouses. I even have a full dollhouse renovation coming. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe to my channel. Help me make this channel grow. Please don't forget to click on the playlist below and check out what all the other creators made for this DIY challenge. And again, go visit Heidi Sonboul DIY and check out all the neat stuff she makes. This DIY could not be any freaking easier. It was so quick to make and it looks so high-end when it's done. You're gonna absolutely love this. And if you make it for your child's teacher, she's gonna absolutely love it. And if you don't want to put fake flowers in it like I did, you can put real flowers in it, because it's made with a jar that you would normally throw out that you could put water in. Now I'm just making a pretty little bow from my buffalo check ribbon I have. There's wire in this ribbon, so I made it cute and fluffy. I didn't make it too big though. I didn't want to overwhelm the vase because I think it's so cute. Now just fluff out your bow and ducktail the ends so it looks like a nice boutique bow. And now I just took another piece of the buffalo check ribbon and I wrapped it around the base of the jar and the vase actually, and I hot glued it in place, and then I hot glued the bow on top of the ribbon. And that's pretty much it. One of my pencils came loose, so I had to hot glue it and squish it back in. And that's it. Just add your bow, The vase is done. It looks high-end. It's adorable. You could put real flowers in. You could embellish it with fall flowers like I did. I did some pretty sunflowers and autumn-looking leaves. And I forgot what those things are called. I think cattails. If you know what those flowers are called that I put in, can you please mention it in the description box below? I think they're called cattails. I'm not sure. And I'm not even sure what those little fall looking berries are called. But yeah, this came out super adorable. I absolutely love it, and it makes a great gift. And here are the final results. It was so easy to make. Easy peasy, adorable, high-end. Look at this. How cute is this? Like I said before, it makes a great gift. Or you can use it on your own coffee table, your dining room table, your kitchen counter, wherever you like putting vases with flowers. What are those called? Does anybody know? Are they called cattails? I kind of forget. Those fuzzy, pointy things you find at the beach. And those berries, do they have a name too? I don't know. Anyway, here it is. You got to make one. So inexpensive, easy peasy. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you think you might make this. If you feel like if you do make it, are you going to make one as a gift? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate all your support. Thanks again.